fighter, came to fight. Let them come and try us. We gon' stand together. Put our hands together. We are one. Came to fight us. Came to fight. Let them come and try us. We gon' stand.
Oh, hello there, my lovely stallions. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. So in today's video, I wanted to talk to you guys about the blame game. The tendency for us human beings to want to blame each and every person but ourselves for everything that goes wrong in our lives. That needs to stop. That does need to stop. If you're not happy about something, like I said, happiness is a choice. If you want things to change, only you can change it. If you want your life to change, only you can change it. You can't try and blame someone else for the fact that you aren't where you want to be. You can't blame someone else because you haven't gotten that promotion, or you're not making any money, or you're not, you can't keep blaming other people. You can't expect situations to change, yet you are just sitting at home doing absolutely nothing. We all have to be proactive with our lives. If you want to, one day have a business of your own, it's not just gonna come up just, like that. That's not how life works. It's not gonna, it doesn't work like, there's no genie, where you're like, I can wish for this to happen and it will happen. No, that's the reality of life is you have to work hard to get what you want. You have to be proactive with your life. If you're not happy about the relationship that you're in and you're unhappy in it, it's either you work really hard at making it work and you sit down with your partner and be like, look, this is not working. Let's try and do this, this, and this, or you leave. But moping around and crying about it all the time is not going to change things. And this is something that I learned while I was in Montreal. For the past 2 years, I wasn't happy at all. I wasn't happy, and I knew I wasn't happy. And I told people that I wasn't happy. But unfortunately, because of my fear of failure, which I've talked about on this channel before, which I am really working on right now, and I feel like I'm conquering right now. Because of that fear, I told myself that no, I'm just going to keep doing it. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep going. But I knew that it just wasn't for me. I knew that it wasn't healthy for me to be there. Mentally, emotionally, physically, it was draining for me. And it came to a point where I was finally like, you know what? I can't do this anymore. This is not good for me. This is not where I should be. And some people will think, I know that people are going to be like, oh, you quit so easily. I actually had someone tell me, someone close to me, make a joke about it. And that person was surprised that I took it to heart. But I did take it to heart because even though they were saying it jokingly, it's something that I didn't want. It touched me because nobody understands what I was going through. Nobody will understand what you're going through but you. No one will understand the extent of, just how painful it is for you but you. So at the end of the day, you can't blame someone else. If you're not, I've said this before, happiness is a choice. And only you can make that choice. Only you and God, of course, have power over your life. I mean, even your relationship with God is a choice that you have to make. It's a choice that you have to make. He is out there waiting. He's ready for you. He's waiting for you with open arms. But at the end of the day, you have the choice. You have the choice to walk towards him. You have that choice. Everything in life, it's all on you. If you want to start that business, only you can take that first step. If you want to make a relationship work, only you can make that step. If you want situations to change in your life, if you want a change to happen in your life, you have to make the first step. We can't keep blaming someone else. Sometimes you have to just stand in front of the mirror and be like, Mumsie, girl, you can't do this to yourself. You're gonna have to do this, and this, so that you can be able to get to point B. I couldn't keep blaming my family for me being unhappy in Montreal. I couldn't keep blaming them, because at the end of the day, only I could decide. Only I could decide whether I leave or I stay. And I decided to leave because it wasn't working for me. So I wanted to make this video to remind you that everything in life is your choice. You have the power to either say yes or no. And if you say yes and things go wrong, it's on you. If you say no and things go wrong, it's on you. Okay, so we need to stop blaming everyone. We need to stop blaming the whole world and just look in the mirror and be like, I messed up. Anyway, with that said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you took something from it. Remember, I'm going to stress this again. Happiness is a choice that only you can make. So make that choice. Be happy and change situations for yourself if they're just not working for you. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, to just let me know that you did enjoy it. Leave a comment below and let me know your views on this subject. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already and join this amazing Stallion Nation. Share this video as well with someone who just might need to hear this. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.
We are one, came to fight us.